All right. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So what happened? The XRP ETF has been official, has been confirmed. That's been the big news today about XRP. Currently, the price is at $2.29, and it's up 10% for the week, and up 2.6 for the day. But anyways, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for post notifications. And yeah, shouts out to all the Patreon members and everything. Okay, so um, this XRP ETF, this is probably possibly could send, XRP flying high. There's still a lot of speculation, about where XRP is going to go long term. Some people saying $30, some people saying 100. I don't know. Some people saying 500, but we'll definitely see. I like to be more realistic. I'll say by the end of this year, we could possibly see a $40 to $50 XRP by the end of this year. Maybe even a little bit higher, but we'll see. Definitely, this is definitely some good news moving forward. I think the case with the SEC, the SEC is over. So yeah, there's a lot of people have their own opinions and everything. Like I said, there's speculation where this is going to be going long term. But yeah, some of my subscribers is holding XRP. Um, but yeah, they're definitely going to be using this as a bridge. It's going to be used as a bridge to connect the financial world, you know, um, along with XPR. Let me see here. But yeah, that's what's going to be going on. Um, and and yeah, things is looking pretty good. Let's see here. See what's going on with let's check out their X. What they got cooking on X for XRP? What do they have got? What do they have cooking? Okay, the SEC drops the appeal. Okay, that looks pretty good. They dropped the appeal. Alrighty, check this out. Says users can now supply and borrow RLUSD enterprise grade stablecoin on the F. That's pretty cool. You can borrow against your XRP now on the RLUSD. Nice. That's a step forward. All right. It says the market for tokenized financial assets is accelerating fast. Okay. It says approaching the tokenization tipping point. That's where everything is going, man. Everything is going to be getting tokenized. We are definitely headed into a new global financial system. Definitely. We're definitely going to be heading into there. Definitely going to be heading to that point. Okay. Checking out their X. Okay. Ethereum.org. Okay. Okay. Ripple.
making assets more accessible, efficient, and secure. By streamlining transactions and enabling fractional ownership, tokenization reduces costs by up to 60% and accelerates settlement from days to seconds. After initial hesitation, financial institutions are now publicly embracing tokenization. With this momentum, by 2033, tokenized assets are projected to exceed $18.9 trillion and continue the growth. As adoption accelerates, network effects driven by efficiency gains, interoperability, and regulatory clarity will establish tokenization as a financial industry standard. Tokenization is not just a trend, it is the next evolution in finance. And it's happening now. Tokenization is reshaping financial markets, making assets more accessible, efficient, and secure. By streamlining.
Nice. So this is where everything is going to be going, looking really good. So liquidity management, collateral, treasury, trade finance, real estate, and bonds. So this is where everything is going to be going with tokenization. So yeah, man, we are in the dawn, of new history here. You know, out with the old system and with the new system. So the emerging markets, the whole cryptocurrency and world currency and real world assets. This is in with the new and out with the old. But like I said, this is all an emerging market. So this is all going to be working alongside, with the current markets, that we have now with the old system. But yeah, but this new system of this whole digital, hyper digital, global, the fourth industrial revolution is going to be, pretty much taken over. But anyways, there we have it. My update with XRP, the ETFs. I believe that we're at the beginning stages of the parabolic run. All the institutions, they've been loading up super cheap. The fact that we've been having all these flash crashes, um, we've been having all these flash crashes and everything. They've been loading up on cryptocurrency, for the last couple of years. So we know exactly where everything is going. But anyways, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to be going live in about an hour or so. I'm going to do a live stream. So yeah, don't forget. And if anybody like to join a private Patreon group, the link is going to be in the bottom left to join a private Patreon group. We got our chat group and everything over there. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here. Thanks everybody for tuning in. This is big. XRP will eventually, overtake Ethereum in market cap, definitely. But anyways, the future, we are living in the future. We are definitely living in the future now with everything was going on, with the financial markets, the whole cryptocurrency market and everything. We are definitely living in the future. But anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.